Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix Fire Stick remote blinking red. Press and hold the remote back forward and right side button from the circle. Press and hold both the buttons at the same time. Hold for about 3 seconds. Now press the 3 bars button. Now press any button from the remote. The remote blue light with flash after pressing. Now replace the old batteries with new batteries to reset the remote. Turn off the TV and unplug the TV power cable. Now press and hold menu and back and left side buttons from the circle. Press and hold for about 15 seconds. Then release the button and wait for few seconds. Now remove the batteries from the remote. Then turn on the TV. Now insert the batteries on the remote. Then press the hold the home button for about 15 seconds. By following the steps, you can fix Fire Stick remote blinking red.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.